Welcome to this new tutorial. Today I show you how to set a screensaver for your Android smartphone or tablet. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. So let's get started. Whether your device supports screensavers or not depends on the manufacturer and the Android version of the device. Today I will show you how to set up a screensaver for a Pixel phone. On a Samsung device or on a device from another manufacturer, the procedure is the same or very similar. First we open the settings. Under the entry display, you will find the settings for the screensaver. It becomes visible when you select Advanced. In the screensaver settings, you can now choose which screensaver you want to use. Each device comes with several variants. But there are also other screensavers in the Play Store. For our example, I choose Wave from the Play Store. This is actually a live background, but it also works as a screensaver for smartphones and Android TV. If you see a settings icon next to the selected screensaver, you have even more options. For example, you can choose from different designs. The next option gives you the choice when the screensaver should start. The options vary from device to device. With the Google Pixel, you have the option to show the screensaver when you charge the phone, when it is in the dock, or in both cases. The default setting is Never. Again, if you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe.